Every day, industrial factories around the world keep their furnaces running continuously to produce glass at massive scale. In the United States alone, millions of tons are transformed each year into windows, bottles, windshields, and screens. To make this possible, an entire industry operates without stopping, processing enormous volumes of sand and exposing them to extreme temperatures. But how can a fine powder be turned into perfectly smooth, transparent, and durable sheets of glass? Inside this factory, glass production never stops. The process begins with the most important raw material, silica sand. Although sand is one of the most abundant resources on Earth, only a small portion meets the strict standards required to manufacture high-quality glass. In large industrial mines, silica is trapped within hard rock veins, hundreds of meters underground. To extract it, crews drill deep into the rock and place explosive charges with millimeter precision. After detonation, tons of rock are broken apart and ready to be removed. Once extracted, the sand is transported to processing plants where purification begins. The material contains clay, organic residues, and other impurities that must be completely removed. To achieve this, the sand is washed in large tanks with hot water, separating unwanted particles. It then passes through massive industrial dryers that eliminate remaining moisture. The result is an extremely fine and clean powder, ready to be sent to the glass factory. Each week, this plant receives thousands of tons of silica sand. Giant silos store the ingredients that will become glass. Along with sand, soda ash, and calcium carbonate are added. These components lower the melting point of silica and improve the strength of the final product. Recycled glass is also introduced, an essential element that accelerates melting and makes the process more efficient. All these materials are combined in a dual-chamber industrial mixer. Inside, the ingredients flow continuously until a homogeneous mixture is formed. Once ready, the batch is fed into a massive gas-fired furnace, where temperatures reach 1,650 degrees Celsius, hotter than molten lava. At this stage, control is absolute. Extreme heat transforms the solid mixture into a glowing, viscous mass. For hours, the glass remains molten inside the furnace. Specialized operators monitor the process, protected by fire-resistant suits and heat-resistant gloves. 24 hours later, what was once sand flows like a bright river of liquid glass. This is where one of the most important processes in modern industry begins, the float glass system. Molten glass is slowly poured onto a bath of liquid tin. Thanks to gravity and surface tension, the glass naturally spreads out, forming a perfectly flat and uniform sheet. This method allows continuous glass production at large scale, with consistent quality and minimal imperfections. As the sheet moves forward, it passes through a series of rollers that control its thickness. Each adjustment is made with extreme precision. The glass then enters an annealing furnace, where it cools gradually. This controlled cooling prevents internal stresses that could later cause cracks or fractures. Once hardened, the glass moves to the cutting area. There, specialized teams divide it into large panels using tungsten carbide tools. The process requires perfect coordination as the edges remain extremely sharp. Any leftover material is not wasted. It is collected and returned to the system to be melted again in future production cycles. Each furnace can produce hundreds of glass sheets per day. These panels are carefully inspected and then packed into wooden frames, ready to be shipped to construction sites, factories, and projects around the world. In just a matter of hours, tons of sand have been transformed into one of the most essential materials of modern civilization. This is how a glass factory that never stops operates. A continuous, precise, and extreme system where heat, chemistry, and engineering work together 24 hours a day to turn a natural resource into a product essential to everyday life. If you're interested in learning how other essential products are made, you'll find more videos on this channel. Like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to keep exploring how the industry that powers the world really works.